Hello everyone, welcome to my English teaching channel. In today's lesson, I want to teach you how to use English to call different types of doctors in Australia to increase your knowledge a bit. Now, the first doctor I want to introduce is called the general practitioners or GPs. General practitioners are those doctors who work in a medical center or clinic to provide consultation and health examinations for people to help them to find out whether there is something wrong with their body and then provide relevant advice, right? So if you feel a bit unwell, but the problem is not urgent and you want to find out whether there's something wrong with your body, then instead of going to a hospital immediately, you can firstly make an appointment with a GP in the medical center and then get your whole health checked by the GP doctor, right? So the GPs will check your health by doing some health examinations, right? So for example, they can check your vital signs like your blood pressure, temperature, heart rate to find out whether the baseline is good, normal or not. And they can take your height and weight. They can check your blood sugar level. Yeah, they can refer you to do a blood test and then to confirm whether there is something wrong with your body. And if nothing is wrong, they will then give you some health advice so you can just go home without worrying further. But if after they perform those health tests, if they really think you have something wrong with your body, then they will further refer you to other specialist doctors to do more in-depth check to confirm the condition. All right? Yeah, so this is the first type of doctor. Now, next, I want to introduce a few specialist doctors who specialize in one body system. Okay? So the first one I want to introduce is a cardiologist. A cardiologist is a doctor who diagnoses, assesses, and treats patients with heart diseases. All right, so cardiologists are those doctors who have rich knowledge about heart, and they need to they have good knowledge about different heart diseases, the whole structure of the heart, the function of the heart. They have really in-depth knowledge about heart, and they can help you to diagnose the heart problems and provide specific treatments to treat your heart issues. Okay, so this is a doctor called cardiologist. Cardio means heart. Yeah, cardio means heart. So cardiologists are those doctors that are specializing in the heart problems. Okay, now the next doctor I want to introduce is called the pediatrician. Pediatricians are those doctors specialized in the care of babies, young children, and teenagers and help to manage their health, including physical behavior and mental health problems. So pediatric means children. So pediatrician means the doctors who manage problems for children and young people, right? Young teenagers. The next doctor is the neurologist. A neurologist manages and treats neurological problems or conditions connected to the nervous system. Our nervous system includes our brain, our spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system. Say people having issues with their senses like vision, touch, or smell can consult a neurologist. If you, for example, if you have a headache and you believe something may be wrong with your brain, then you should also go to see a neurologist to do certain tests to find out whether something really is wrong with your brain, okay? Because you have this, especially if you have ongoing headache and you always have a headache, so you believe something may be wrong with your brain, you should see a neurologist. Next doctor I want to introduce is called the oncologist. An oncologist treats patients who have cancer and provide the needed care for cancer patients. So if someone have a tumor growing inside of the body, right, they should really consult oncologist, right? So get their cancer treated by this type of doctors. The next doctor I want to teach you is called the dermatologist. Dermatologist. Dermal means skin, right? Dermal refers to skin. So dermatologist is a doctor who specializes in treating skin, nail, and hair health problems, right? So if you have a skin condition, if you see like a rash or a lesion on your skin, and if you see some abnormal spots on the skin, so you want to get it checked, then you should go to find a dermatologist, right, to check your skin condition, to confirm whether this skin spot or lesion is normal or not, or what could be the problem with your skin. Okay, so dermatologists are those doctors specialized in skin conditions, skin problems. Now, especially in Australia, skin cancer is quite common in Australia because we have really strong sunlight. Okay, and strong sunlight can easily harm your skin and trigger skin burn or even skin cancer. So skin problems and even skin cancers are more popular in Australia. So dermatologists plays important role in here and gets a really good income, because they can help people to diagnose all different skin problems and provide on-time treatments, to cure the skin issue. Next doctor I want to introduce is called the obstetrician. And obstetrician specializes in childbirth, pregnancy, and in the reproductive system of the women. Obstetricians monitor the health of a pregnant woman and the developing baby's health, right? So they can help to organize regular ultrasound tests for the babies and the pregnant women. The next doctor I want to introduce is called the ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist. An ophthalmologist is a doctor who specializes in eye and vision care. An ophthalmologist diagnoses, identifies, and treats all different eye diseases. They also prescribe eyeglasses and contact lenses to correct the vision problems. And they also perform eye surgeries if someone has serious eye problem, right? Next doctor I want to introduce is called the dentist. A dentist specializes in dentistry, and they help to treat all different dental problems, like check the problem of the teeth, right, and provide treatments to for the teeth, right? So this is called a dentist. So dentists help people to maintain a good teeth health, treat the like oral cavities, and maintain a good oral health, like mouth. Oral means mouth. So dentists help people to maintain good mouth health and keep the teeth healthy as well. And if there's any problem with the teeth, please find dentist, because they can help you to fix the issue with your teeth. The next doctor I want to introduce is called the psychiatrist. Psychiatrist. A psychiatrist specializes in psychiatry. So they help to diagnose and treat different mental problems. So if you feel mentally unwell, or if you suffer some serious mental problems, you have depression or anxiety, and your life has been affected by these mental issues, then you have to see a psychiatrist, right, to get this condition checked and treated. Next doctor I want to introduce is a surgeon. Surgeons are doctors that perform the surgeries, right? So they can do different type of surgeries. And these surgeries could include like a cardiac surgery, like surgery for the heart or surgery for the blood vessel. So surgery for the bones, like that's a different type of surgery. So surgeons surgeon is an English word for the doctors who perform different type of surgeries. Okay, so that's called surgeon. Okay, so that's all the doctors that I want to introduce today to give you a little bit more knowledge about the health professionals in Australia. Thank you very much for listening.